Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into Brandon University as a student. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar you must type in BU user ID claim. That is BU user ID claim, and then hit go or enter on your keyboard, and then tap on the third link labeled Brandon University. Here, hit I agree, hit next, and then enter your student number, your last name, your birth date, and hit next and follow the on-screen instructions to first activate and claim your account. After which, you can head over to the search bar one more time and then type in BU user login, and then hit go or enter on your keyboard, and then head to the search bar one more time and then type in Brandon University login, and then hit go or enter on your keyboard and tap on the first link. Next, you must hit login with single sign-on. Logged in with a Microsoft account, you must hit use another account and then enter your BU email address, hit next, and enter your password to log into your account. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.